Love, is it a gift or a curse? Is it for better or for worse? Is it a Benz or a hearse? Yo, you gotta ask yourself first. Love, is it a gift or a curse? Is it for better or for worse? Is it a Benz or a hearse? Yo, you gotta ask yourself first. I'll never let the flame die, let it remain high. I was good but been better since we became I. And cause you're past now, it's hard to give your heart to. Part 1's done, baby, this is part 2. Starring you and me, written by you and me, produced, directed, even edited by you and me. So when you ready, lights, camera, action, just give 100% and not a fraction. I had to double take, close my eyes to realize is the beauty that I'm staring at from my real eyes. Is my mind playing tricks with these lies, or is my mind really thick with these thighs? She had more curves than the mountain slopes, like Aaliyah, man, yo, she can rock my boat. So much that she